Choosing the right railing profile for your villa, bungalow, or luxury apartment is an important decision. Each profile comes with its own benefits, but what's the best option for you? IBAC's aluminum profiles, paired with specially designed chemical fasteners, provide exceptional strength and durability. These fasteners are tailored to different floor types, such as concrete or brick, ensuring your railing has the robust support it needs for long-lasting performance. When it comes to aesthetics, IBAC's railing profiles are designed to add elegance and a premium touch to your space. With a variety of options to match your exteriors, whether it's a fluted design, a wooden finish, a modern Victorian style, or a timeless classic look, we have the perfect fit for every architectural style. Our railings are available in colors like antique green, black, grey, wooden, golden, and more. For those looking for a unique touch, customized colors are also an option. To ensure the perfect fit for your space, it's important to choose the right model based on the railing length and glass height. For lengths of 20 to 35 feet, model BR40 is ideal. For 35 to 50 feet, model BR18 is the perfect choice. And for larger spaces of 50 to 80 feet, model BR15 is the best solution. Whatever your requirement, IBACS has the perfect model to meet your needs. Connect with IBACS today and discover the ideal railing solution to make your space secure, modern, and elegant.